We can greatly improve the accuracy of data entry in our work if we use the data validation feature of WPS Spreadsheet. Take this table as an example. This is the information collection form for U.S. citizens joining tour groups for international travel. We need to fill in the information of all the participants. How can we ensure that the passport numbers and phone numbers we entered will not be wrong? First, select the cell area where data needs to be filled. Click the Data tab, then click the Validation drop-down button and select the Validation option. Then the Data Validation dialog box will pop up. Here you can set the required type of input data. Click the Settings button, select Text Length in the Allow option, and select Equal to in the Data option area. Then enter 9 in value. When we need to display the input information of the selected cell area, click the Input Message button first. Enter passport number in title and enter the value length. 9 digits in input. After entering all this information, we are now coming to the most essential step. Check the Show Error Alert after invalid data is entered in Error Alert. We can set an error report if the input data is inconsistent with our requirements. Select Style as Stop. Enter Fill in Error in title, and enter Refill Passport Number in Error message, and then click OK. In this way, when the length of the input text does not match, it will remind us of the input error. By this, we can improve the accuracy of the input data. We can also set appropriate title and error message content according to our actual needs. For instance, in the Insurance Purchased column, we need to fill in yes and no. Click the Validation drop-down button. Then, in the Data Validation pop-up dialog box, click the Settings button. Select List at the Allow option area, and enter yes and no in the Source Edit box. Use a comma to separate them and click OK. In this way, when inputting yes or no information, we can directly select the input content. If we want to cancel the settings, just click Clear All in the Data Validation dialog box. This skill can greatly help us to improve the accuracy of data entry. Did you get it?